The Kākāpō is a remarkable parrot, unique to New Zealand and critically endangered. Weighing up to 8 pounds, it's the world's heaviest parrot. With its vibrant green feathers and owl-like face, it's truly a sight to behold. What's fascinating is that these birds can't fly, but they're excellent climbers. Their population plummeted due to habitat loss and introduced predators, but dedicated conservation efforts are helping them bounce back. Each Kākāpō has a distinct personality, and they even have a unique mating call that sounds like a deep, resonant boom. Imagine a parrot that can live over 90 years. The Kākāpō is not just a bird, it's a symbol of hope for conservation.